Hi, my name is Jada Davis, and today I'll be presenting Lab 1 Charge Tapes. The purpose of this lab was to observe and determine approximately how much excess charge is on one piece of clear tape. The fundamental principles observed in this lab were Coulomb's law, which is shown in the equation to the right, and the conservation of charge, which says that charge cannot be created nor destroyed. The total charge on an object can be changed only by transfer of charges to and from the object. The summarized results of this lab were that the tapes were positively charged and that the U-tapes repel each other, resulting in tape B floating above tape A. The charges on the tape are 5.74 times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs, and the number of excess electrons is 3.588 times 10 to the 10. The initial conditions of this lab were that the system was the charged tapes, the surroundings included everything else, and the assumptions made were that air resistance on the tapes is negligible. Tapes can be treated as point charged with the charge concentrated at the center, and each U-tape had equal charge and was evenly distributed along the entirety of the tape. The experiment and observations made in this lab were that tape was positively charged as it was strongly attracted to the negatively charged pen while being repelled by the other tape. The experimental data collected was that the mass of the U-tape was 2 times 10 to the negative 4 kilograms. The length of the U-tape was 0.2 meters. The distance between the U-tapes was 0.0123 meters. The magnitude of gravitational force was obtained by taking the mass of the tape times the gravitational constant, which resulted in 0.00196 newtons. And the charge on tape B was 5.74 times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs. The number of excess electrons was obtained by taking the charge on the tape divided by the charge of an electron, resulting in 3.5875 times 10 to the 10 coulombs. The number of atoms was obtained by area of tape divided by the area of an atom, which resulted in 4 times 10 to the 17. And the ratio of excess electrons to number of atoms gave us 8.96875 times 10 to the negative 8 per every one atom. The glow skirt model that I created is shown below, which represents, or the blue sphere represents tape B, while the red sphere represents tape A. The green arrow represents the gravitational force, and the yellow arrow represents the electric force provided by tape A. The questions that I considered while doing this lab is what if electrons had positive charge and protons had negative charge? What would change about the observations I made with the tapes and other charged objects? I said that all behavior would remain the same. The only change we would see would be the signs of certain results changing. Second question